Welcome to another episode of Our Time with Mr. Dillon. Hello, kids. Hello, Charlie. Well, it's great to see you today. Today we're going to look at something that we're going to learn a lot more about. Today let's look at math. Math is fantastic. I love math. Charlie loves math, right, Charlie? Oh, yeah. We're going to focus on what math really is. Math is simply solving problems, period. It really doesn't matter what the problem is. We just need to use perseverance, not giving up, and I bet you we can find out a way to solve that problem. Someone very close to me would always say when we face problems, he'd say, "Not a problem," because he knew we were going to use our brains to try to figure it out. We just figure it out, Charlie. You figure it out. Problems can be done in many different ways. I mean, Charlie here, he loves to count things. He's really good at it, and he definitely has his own way of doing it. Charlie! Hey, Charlie! Hey! What are you doing up there? Oh, you're counting? Yeah, that's good counting. Of course, you're off by 1. Sorry, buddy. Good try. Was that all? Oh! Hey! That wasn't even a stuffy! Oh! Oh! Well, that was interesting. When I attempt to solve problems, I use my own method. It's called 1, 2, 3 mastery. If you can solve a problem one way, that's good. If you can solve a problem 2 ways, that's great. If you can solve things 3 ways, I bet you really understand what that problem is and how to figure it out. 1, 2, 3 mastery is awesome! Hey Charlie, I got an idea. Why don't we look at a math problem and solve it 3 different ways? Let's go! Let's go ahead and do some mastery. We're going to start simple and get more and more complicated. Let's start with this problem. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Eight. What, you want to help counting? Okay, I understand, buddy, but just let me do this. We're going to start with 0. Let's count 3. Let's count 5. Equals 8 again. That's the third way. Let's get a little more complicated. 30 plus 50 equals 80. 10, 20, 30. Each bar is a 10. 10, 20, 30. 50, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 80. Total of 80. Count to 30. Let's count to 50. That's your 30. That's your 50. You combine them. 30 plus 50 equals 80. 1, 2, 3. Mastery. I know. Let's get a little bit larger numbers. 300 plus 500 equals 800. 300. That's 300. That's 500. Let's see if it still equals 800. 300 plus 500 equals 800. One, two, three. Mastery. I know. Let's try the same couple numbers that we used from before. So 5 and 3. But now we're going to count it by groups. 5 times 3. Well, I know 5 times 3 is actually just 3 5s. 5, 10, 15. He just said 5, 10, 15. We could count 5, 10, 15. Let's take our 15 and let's divide it by 3. There's 15. There's 3. What do you think goes here? That's right, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Oh, look at that pattern again. Got it! How can I show that another way? Why don't we use a ruler? I'm going to measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. 5 inches. Look at that. This is also 5 inches. Well, if this is 5 inches and this is 5 inches, what do you think this would be? That's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. 5 times 3 equals 15. I see 3 5s. 5, 10, 15. What's the distance around this shape? That's right, 15 inches. That's called perimeter. What shape is that? That's right, that's a triangle. Why don't we go ahead and see how many 5s we have? 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals, guess what? 15, because we know what perimeter is when you measure around a shape. 1, 2, 3, mastery. Ran out of ink. Be right back, Charlie. Hey, Charlie? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, you're over there counting? Oh, that's pretty cool. You know what, bud? I kind of watched you. You're off by 1, but good try anyway, man. Nothing personal, pal. What are you thinking about? Charlie, it's not worth it, man. Okay, I've had enough, man. Okay? Oh. Hey. Whew. Well, I hope everybody learned ways that you could solve problems. I definitely learned something. It's always to keep an eye on this guy. You are truly one special ape. You know what I'm talking about, man. Sheesh. The key to solving all this really is perseverance. Just don't give up. You have nothing to lose. The only thing you really have to lose is time. I am definitely looking forward to our next episode. Our next episode is going to be another directed draw, and the focus will be on a certain character. And this character has a little bit of difficulty putting the technology down. Know what I mean, Charlie? In fact, I'll save that for another time. Take care. Hey! That wasn't even a stuffy! Oh. It's not worth it, man. Oh. Hey. Man, are you okay?